That way we have your death on camera. Ready?
That way they know exactly what to do.
Yep.
Okay. Truck's about to go off the lip.
Yeah, truck is about to drop off the lip.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Honestly, no, but fuck it.
I don't like the sound of that.
Yep. It's
Truck is away.
clear.
Okay, I'm going.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
How is it doing that?
I no longer have light on it, but this bitch is in the air. It is. So here is Bishop's Triton V10
With trans.
on a Harbor Freight hoist.
That is only set to half ton.
Also held up by 3 ratchet straps and barely a chain. The chain is literally doing nothing.
Who wants to venture in here and let that bitch down?
Not me.
I'll die. I'm ready.
Bishop, if you die, this engine is going in my car.
No, it's going in mine. I paid for it.
You'll be dead, and I will be alive.
Yeah, well, do you really... No, this won't fit in your fucking car.
Yes, it will.
And do you really want to drive a Ford Crown Victoria?
Do you really want to drive a Ford motor?
Yeah, you...
It's a free Ford motor.
You bitch and complain about these all the time. You fucking motor. You fucking Ford.
Also...
Good fucking God, there's a lot of weight on this. Uh-oh. I see a problem. A hammer? See the...
Also, I am still recording this, by the way.
Yes, this is great.
This is perfect.
For those on YouTube, don't ever fucking do what we're about to do. There's a reason only 4 people.
You are leaking oil, my friend.
Well, that's fine. You got shit for that, right? Oh, fuck me.
This is not okay.
Okay, so we've hit a new low. But all you just got to do is...
Those fans are really resilient.
You know, there is an option that we haven't explored yet. I'm not really sure we want to.
What is it?
Hold on.
Lift it back up and turn it.
No. I'm just lifting it up, getting it off the fan.
Now, mind you, folks, this thing is being held up by only the exhaust manifolds. So if those decide to go, the only thing keeping it from falling on the ground is the transmission and the chain. It will still hit the ground. Partially.
If I die, I want you to know, I hate all of you.
We already know this.
Yes, but the people of YouTube don't.
What about the car club? Do you hate them?
No, I love you
Okay,
all.
that was officially sketchy.
Yeah, exactly.
I love you all. Fucking bastards. You gotta go slow with it. I recommend not trying this at home. I have really an hour of recording of it. Damn. Oh, hey, look! It's separated. Hey, it's separated. It just needed a drop. Hey, hold on. I don't know if I want to like hold this back or just let it keep going. What do you think? Either way, we still have to get this bitch back in there. So do you want him to keep dragging it that way? We still technically have to get this bitch back in there. Slow. The fucked up part is it's separated, but it's not fully separated.
Well, turn the bitch. Man, that clutch is melting.
I think they're gonna notice we damaged something. Should have done that sooner, Bishop. You know, I had asked for your opinion, and I didn't get an answer that I liked. Hold on. No. It's good and separated now. Now that it's out here.
Is it two separate pieces?
Yes. For the most part.
The input shaft is not in the engine.
The torque converter is not attached to the flywheel. But the flex plate is still attached to the transmission.
So they're not going to come apart until you undo that?
Pretty much. Can you pry those two apart right there? Piece of metal right there. No, the other side. There you go. The flex plate is part of the motor.
I am honestly disappointed in this.
Maybe we should have pulled the remaining bolts out when it was out here. Yeah, it's definitely separated. I know, you wanted to drag this thing all over creation, but...
No, I just wanted to fight your car.
No, you know what the sad part is?
Well, we still can.
Is you guys...
That's what you want. We still can.
You know what the sad part is? Is you guys threw out the idea of we'll play tug of war, and it's like, bitch, you ain't separating me. And then you fucking pulled it out here and went, fine, you can fucking have the trans.
I still, you know what? I still like the idea of tug of war, so let's get this fucker...
Let's listen again. That's the sound of a baby crying when you wear JBL Everest headphones with adaptive noise-canceling technology. JBL, hear what you want, not what you don't. I'm a son
Surprised you don't remember, because you told me. I looked it up
And the 30A transmission is the best one for my car. But they're like $900.
Okay, I'll just support this with my legs. Otherwise, just fall over on them. Whenever you're ready. Not sure how well that's gonna hold, but go for it. Try to. What do you mean? Try to pick it up so the fucking. Yeah. Yeah, 620 pounds. I can lift that.
You can't deadlift that?
No. No.
Can you?
Here comes He-Man himself. Yeah. This is the first time to do it for 20. I'm sorry, what was that again? I was hoping he'd try, because I thought for sure he'd shit himself.
He started applying pressure and then realized that it's not doing that.
It's... The problem is it's not on your...
Where's my
your
prep?
little dolly the hole.
Fuck you, nigga. Apparently only has one cord. Alright, He-Man.
Go! Ugh, fuck you.
That's it. That's as far as your cart goes.
So pick up the cart.
Yeah. Okay.
You're weak.
I am weak, you fucker.
Let the scrawny white boys do this.
You could probably get the fucking engine on this thing, or at least try and get it. What the fuck do you need?
Nothing.
Excuse me. You want to grab that side? We grab this side?
Oh, I gotta grab the phone. Stabbing my head.
Come on, Bishop.
Lift!
Pull!
Pull! One last slug, and the wheels go over. Yep. Ready? Go! You're useless.
Yeah.
You need to go to the gym, dude.
When?
Right now, go.
Sir, the fuck that part of the stand.
Exactly.
Bishop, I'd ask you for help, sir.
Are you sure you don't want some Well,
That torque converter does a lot.
whatever.
Was that like 80 pounds right there?
That's the weight for the trunk to offset the engine. Oh shit. Where are we putting that fucking engine?
Just move the motor mount and we'll walk that way. You know, to be honest with you, I didn't actually think I could lift the engine. After watching him do it, I thought, like, no, there's no fucking way. And then I did. It's like,
And then we know how much Bishop doesn't lift.
Yeah. Truck's back.
Different truck, but yeah.
Main truck.
Lenses for that?
Oh,
Yeah.
that will be very terrifying for the poor people that you do that to.
Yeah, and I'm sure I would get a ticket too.
Huh. You're not on the street doing it, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just fucking around waiting for her friend to get here with the tools that we need for the V10 that's going in that.